Hi, and welcome to the Insight District. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great videos to come. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out a fog light globe. It's pretty straightforward. It's a lot easier than what I thought. So yeah, we'll go get ahead and give it a go. So what you can see here is the back of the fog light. You can see the connector. What you want to do with the connector is turn it anti-clockwise, which takes it out of its socket, and then you can pull the globe out. Depending on what model car, depends on what socket you have for headlight. So once you replace the globe, make sure that you don't touch the globe, that you just use cotton gloves or a tissue, so that way oil doesn't get on the globe, otherwise it will shorten the life of the globe. There's a rubber O-ring that sits on the back, so when you connect it in, you want to make sure it's in nice and secure to stop water from getting in. So what you want to do is gently fit it up into the hole, roughly at the same angle that you took it out, and then just push it clockwise and it will lock it in. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Thank you for watching.